stand by for Nirav Modi extradition verdict. Here's news that we get here. Stand by for Nirav Modi's extradition verdict. In fact, India has been pressing hard for Nirav Modi's extradition, and now there's a standby status. Munish Pandey joining us live. Munish, please take us through what the status is right now. Information on Nirav Modi's extradition.
Yeah, well, Nabila, at this point of time, we have been given to understand by our sources that the hearing in Nirav Modi's extradition has begun, and the court has said very clearly that we have accepted all the evidence submitted by the Indian court. This is a very positive sign, and 16 volumes of evidence was submitted against Nirav Modi, who is in jail. So at any point, at any time now, Nirav Modi's, judgment, the court will pronounce judgment on Nirav Modi's extradition. The CBI officials, the officials of Enforcement Directorate, and the officials from the Indian government, they all are very hopeful that Nirav Modi will be extradited, and any moment from now, whenever it is happening, we'll be the first one to tell our views.
Absolutely. In fact, we have more information coming in that the UK court has now said that they have accepted all evidence submitted by the Indian government. Now, this, of course, is an encouraging sign. Indian government has been pushing and pressing for Nirav Modi now to be extradited. Here is the UK court saying that they have accepted all evidence submitted by the Indian government. Is that right, Manish?
Absolutely, Nabila, and this is a very positive sign for the law enforcement agencies and as well as for the Indian government and other officials who are involved in the case. Remember, since the time Nirav Modi has been arrested, he was denied bail for almost 4 to 5 times. And this was possible only because the amount of evidence which the Indian agencies, the investigative agencies, CBI and ED submitted before the court. Now, there are many things which has gone against Nirav Modi, and that is why he was denied bail. First of all, the amount of evidence. Second, the destruction of evidence, because also the ED and CBI submitted the evidence that Nirav Modi threatened a person that if he deposed before the Indian agencies and give any statement against him, then he will kill him. So these are the things which has gone against Nirav Modi. The other one was the flight risk, because the UK authorities also said that if Nirav Modi is given bail, then he is a flight risk. He may flee to other countries because he has resources. He has, looted more than 30,000 crore from Punjab National Bank, and this is why he was always denied bail. And now we are hearing that the court has said that I have accepted all these submissions made by the Indian government. I have gone through very carefully. The court is making the observations as we speak, and we are expecting that any moment from now the court will pronounce the order and it will be a final order for Nirav Modi. Of course, he will have option of appealing before the higher court, but it will be a very big setback if he is denied any relief and his extradition is granted to India.
Absolutely, Manish. Thank you very much for joining us with those details.